Welcome to YP Investors Quick Tips. In today's Quick Tip episode, we will focus on double, triple, and quadruple top buy signals in our YP point and figure charts. If point and figure charting is completely new to you, then check out our YP Investors point and figure charting tutorial video on our YP Investors website or on our YouTube channel. And if you're logged in, you can go to the top tab, click on Video Tutorials. As soon as the page loads, it'll be in the middle top video section, Point and Figure Charting Tutorial. Click on that and you'll be able to learn about point and figure charts. So let's start breaking down the double top buy signal. To navigate to the point and figure charting tool, go up to the Tool tab, scroll down and click on P&F charting. Now at the top of the page you'll be able to enter your stock symbol there and then click Generate P&F Chart. So let's look at PRO as the first stock. Click Generate P&F Chart and the point and figure chart is generated for you. Now if we scroll down, we will see this double top buy signal. When we're looking at buy signals, we're only focusing on the X's. The O's don't matter to us because those are related to selling signals. So let's look at the most recent column of X's, which is the column that's farthest to the right. And now look at the previous column of X's. And we can see this column got up to $44. Now a double top buy signal is when the current column exceeds the previous column's max value. So the previous column went up to 44, and when this current column hit $45, that was the double top buy signal. And it's a good sign that prices are going to rise. And as you can see for this stock, the prices since that buy signal have went way up even to $53. So that was a good signal to buy in at the stock at. Now if we go, let's get into the triple top buy signal. Go back to the top. Let's type in PAYC as our ticker, and we'll click Generate P&F Chart. Now you can see the point and figure chart is generated, and again the most recent column is farthest to the right, and we can see there were two previous columns of X's where it got up to $192 and then it went back and down into a column of O's. So a triple top buy signal is when there are three columns of X's, the two previous columns got up to the same max price of $192 or whatever the max price would be, and then the third and most recent column got up to $192 and then passed it, getting to $194. So it made another X above the $192 that the other two columns were stopped at. And this is even a better buy signal than the double top. So stock prices have even a greater probability of rising. And as you can see with PAYC, the stock prices have risen and are continuing to rise. Now let's get into the quadruple top buy signal. We're going to look at the stock ticker EGHT. Click Generate P&F Chart. And as you can guess, quadruple, so we're going to be dealing with four columns of X's. Let's start with the most recent column and then go back. The first one behind it got up to $20. The next one behind it, column of X's, got up to $20. And the third one behind the current column got up to $20 as well. So then the current column got up to 20 and then past it getting to 21, and that is a quadruple top buy signal. Of these three signals, a stock that hits the quadruple top buy signal has the highest probability of increasing in price. But even though the double top buy signal is the weakest of the three, it is still a solid sign that stock prices will rise. And one of our YP quick tips that we want to point out today is you should be checking your stocks daily for these double, triple, and quadruple top buy signals. It only takes you maybe 5, maybe 7 minutes, I don't know, to type in a list of 20 stocks. Let's say like Apple, for example. If that was on your list, you could look in there. Oh, look it just hit a double top buy signal at 198. And if you find a stock that is just about to hit or has just hit a double, triple, or quadruple top buy signal, that would be a good time to buy in, because odds are that the stock price will go up after it hits that buy signal. And if you haven't become a member of YP Investors yet, sign up for free today and start growing your wealth at ypinvestors.com. Thanks for tuning in to YP's Quick Tip, and good luck on your investments.